Today is Tuesday, TUES Tuesday, day by day Tuesday, 1st December, DECEMMBER December, 2020. Our topic is backward counting 70 to 40. Okay, do the drill of backward counting 70 to 40. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 40. Okay, let's come to the copywork. Firstly, you will write the date Tuesday, 1st December 2020. Our topic is backward counting 70 to 40. You will write TO like this and you will write work here. Write in full box and sharp pencil. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.